Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Mega Minion Dave from Despicable Me 4. So let's get started. To draw this very awesome Dave, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. Now that I have this circle, I'm going to come next to it and draw another circle. So right next to it, because we need to draw another circle around it. So let's say about right here. And let's go ahead and draw the same thing. There. So now with these two circles in, we need to go around it. So let's come back to your center about right here. And I'm going to go around my circle to create these cute goggles. Go all the way around. And come back up about right here. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. There, I forgot the goggles in. Then from there, let's come inside and say about right here towards the center. I'm going to go ahead and just draw a slight curve slanting down just a little bit. And then the other side, same thing, but this time it's going to go up just a little bit. And then draw the eyes about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a half circle right in the space. And then another half circle. And then a little circle right here for a highlight and shade everything else in. My highlight got really small, but same thing over here. Same idea. There. And then this would be the color of Dave's eyes would be right there in that white area. Now that we have that in, let's go ahead and let's see here. Oh, let's draw his mouth. So it's like he's wearing a mask, right? So we need to draw the opening. So right underneath these goggles, I'm going to start about right here. And I'll just draw a curve. And just try to center it. So something like that. It's so cute. And then we're going to bring this down. Makes him look like he's mad, right? Now we have that, then let's bring it down more and straighten it out a little bit. And same thing here, just kind of straighten it out. And then right here, just kind of round off the corners and bring it in with a curve and connect. There, now he has a big mouth that's open. Okay, now then, looks like that, right? So then about right here, we're going to give him this cool smile. So cool frown, actually. So about right here, let's go ahead and just draw a soft curve. And then bring it down. We're going to frown it down because he's really cool. There. Then from there we need to draw his body, which is kind of like a upside down egg perhaps. So it's going to be wider at the top and narrow as we come down. So let's see here. Let's the center of your goggles, just a little bit easier for me to see where I'm going. So center of your goggles, I'm going to come out to say about right here. And same thing here, center of your goggles and about the same amount of space on the other side. Then from there, with those 2 points, I'm going to go ahead and start to draw the top of his head. So the top of his head is not as high. It's really close to these goggles. So let's say about right here. I'm going to start to go up, about right there. And let's bring it up to say about right here, which is our center. And then we're going to bring it right back down to our point. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and bring it down. So we're going to keep going past the mouth, and we're going to get narrower as we come down. So just keep that in mind. So now we're past the mouth and we're going to come in more. So I'm just going back and forth. It's just easier for me to see, make sure I'm trying to be a little bit more even. And about right there, let's bring it in. And connect it at the bottom with a curve. There. So silly, right? Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw a bunch of details. So the first thing we need to do is come back to these goggles right here. And we need to draw this part right here, a center line. And then since I'm here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw the strap. I'm just going to curve it down a little bit. And then you can pop it out. So it looks like it's going around the head. And so same thing over here. Little line, and then once again, same thing. Just curve it down a little bit. Then pop it out. There. You can draw a center line perhaps on the strap. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we need to draw his overalls. So let's come down really low, and I'm going to find my center. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. And then using that point, I'm just going to go ahead and draw this soft curve right here that's nicely in the center. Using that as my guide, I'm going to come up really high. Let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead in this area. I'm going to draw a curve coming down for the straps of the overall. And I'm going to hit that point just so that my overalls are nice and centered. So same thing on the other side, just drag this point across if you're drawing big. And once again, you're going to bring down a curve all the way to there. That way it just helps to make it more even. Then from there, we're going to just go around to create our strap. So let's go ahead and thicken this up. And same thing here. So definitely turn your paper, your body, if it helps you to draw these curves. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and come right about here. We're going to draw a curve, bring it in, and same thing here. Curve and tuck it in. And then about right here, another one, and same thing here, just to finish the overalls. There. And then we have a pocket right in the center. And then I'm going to just try really quickly here, draw oval in here for the Minion logo. So I'm going to pop in a M. And shade everything else in. There. Okay, and then from there, let's draw the feet. So we're going to give Dave here some tiny feet. So find your center and then go to the left about right here. And same thing here, not centered. I'm going to go ahead and draw these tiny feet. So 2 little angle lines, and then we're going to cut it off and bring it in. And then right here, let's draw the boot part. So curve it out and connect. So same thing here. Just like my drawing of Mega Minion Jerry. And curve and connect. There. Now for his really strong arms, we're going to come back to this point right here where the strap is, and we're going to draw a curve coming out for some really big muscles. And then let's draw a curve right about here, and we're going to curve it all the way back in. And up here we're going to cut it off for his gloves, and an angle all the way around, and then draw 2 little curves to finish it off. There. Add a little curve here if you like. So we're going to draw the same thing on the other side. So let's say about right here, same thing. We're going to draw this nice big muscle. And I'm just going to drag this across so I know I'm approximately the same area. And then we're going to go up just like the other side. Bring it down to your point. And once again, cut it off. And then add 2 curves for the gloves and bring it in. There. I think this one might be a little bit small. Okay, so that is finally pretty much it, except I need to add a heart just like I did for Jerry right here to make this my Draw So Cute Mega Minion Dave from Despicable Me 4. I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.